So here we have this Mind Reader coat rack. There's all the parts, and then here's the instructions. So that was pretty easy to put together, and it turned out pretty nice. And to put it together, it just took a lot of these screws and then the spacers, and it just all went together like that. So it was pretty simple. And other than these caps, they stuck with all metal construction, which was pretty nice. The tubes are a little bit thin, so you gotta be careful when you're screwing them in. You might be able to see here, I kind of compressed it a bit. This coat rack is pretty cool. It's got a total of 11 hooks, with 4 of those being up top here. And you can probably put your hats up here. That'd work pretty well. And then here you can put all your coats and snow pants or something. And then down here on these 3, you could put your gloves, or maybe if you have kids, you could have them hang their stuff down here. I think the base could have been a little bit wider because it does seem a bit wobbly. But let's get some jackets on here and see how it does then. Now that it's got a bit more weight on it, it does feel a bit more stable, but it still will tip over if you lean it over too much. One problem I do have is they don't have any screw here connecting these together. It's just this little slot right here, which connects in with this pin they punched in, and that just slides together like that. So it doesn't stay together very well, but if you're just leaving it in one place, then it's not gonna matter. But other than that, it's pretty good. So if you want one of these freestanding coat racks to put in the corner of your hallway or somewhere else, then this is a pretty good choice.